Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to download and install Python on the Windows in your PC. First of all, you have to open any web browser and in the search bar type Python download and press enter. Now click this first official website of Python. This will take you to the official homepage of Python. From here you can see the latest version of Python, which is 3.14.3. Now click this link. This will download the Python installer in your PC. Now from here you can see that it is downloading. Wait till it downloads completely. You can see that Python has been downloaded successfully. Now double click on this Python to install it. Here you can check both of these boxes, like use admin privileges when installing python.exe, and this is very important. You have to check this add to python.exe to path and then click install now. This will take some time to install all its files on your PC. Now here you can see that the setup was successful and simple. Click this close button. Now if you want to check this Python has really installed on your device or not, so go to command prompt and type python -version. Click and enter. Now here you can see that it is showing its Python version, which is 3.14.3. Now if you want to write Python codes here, you can just simply type Python and boom. Now you can write your Python codes here also. Print. If you want to check or write codes in its Python IDLE shell, so simple type IDLE open it. Here you can see that it is Python IDLE shell in which you can write your Python codes and run it here. I will write just simple program here. Print hello world. So that's how you can write your Python programs in IDLE shell. Guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.